It's pumpkin spice latte time. Let's make the best one ever. Hey there, tea lovers. Welcome back to the Language of Tea YouTube channel. And guess what? It's officially pumpkin season. That means it's time to whip up the ultimate pumpkin spice latte. Perfect for cozy vibes and crisp fall days. Here's how to create this seasonal favorite. First, brew 2 shots of hot espresso. The magic starts here. Create the pumpkin spice mix. Combine 2 tablespoons ground cinnamon, 2 teaspoons ground ginger, and 1 teaspoon ground cloves. Want to kick it up a notch? Optional spices are your secret weapon. Add a sprinkle of nutmeg, allspice, black pepper, or even a dash of cayenne for a spicy twist. Next, the pumpkin milk magic. In a pan, heat 2 cups of your favorite milk, dairy or non-dairy, 2 tablespoons pumpkin puree, 1 tablespoon sugar, or maple syrup if you're feeling fancy, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract, and 1/2 teaspoon of that pumpkin spice mix. Whisk until it's steamy and delicious. Final step, pour and top. Grab your cup, pour in the espresso, then top it off with the pumpkin milk mixture. Feeling extra? Pile on whipped cream or go wild with a fluffy mountain of marshmallows. Sip and savor the fall goodness. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tea-filled fun.